Forget those recipes you saw online where the inside remains doughy. Today, I'm revealing the real techniques for potato fritters that never absorb oil. We dice 3 medium-sized potatoes, approximately 400 grams, so they boil quickly. We drain the boiled potatoes thoroughly. This part is crucial. If water remains, the potatoes will release too much starch and become gummy. We mash them well until they reach a smooth consistency. Now we come to the secret. 4 tablespoons of starch. Starch will ensure the desired crispiness on the outside of the potato, and it will prevent them from absorbing oil. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar on top, and half a teaspoon of salt, then start kneading. Sugar will help the potatoes get that beautiful color and balance their flavor. To prevent it from sticking to your hands, rub a little cooking oil on them. Tear off small pieces from the dough and roll them into balls. Make sure they are smooth when shaping them. We cook them in plenty of hot oil until the outside is golden brown like a pomegranate. Make sure the oil is very hot, otherwise the potatoes might fall apart. We transfer the fried potatoes to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. And there you have it. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside potato fritters that don't absorb oil are ready. Bon appetit to everyone who will try it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next recipe.